One other type of equations is the rational exponent equation. What does that mean? Well, that means your exponent now is a fraction. Fraction action, how do you like it? How do you solve this one for x? Okay, well, let me show you. The first step is you want to divide by 2. You want to isolate the expression that has the rational exponent. So we're going to divide by 2, and we're left with x plus 1 to the 2/3 power equals 4. Okay. Now, somehow, we need to get rid of this 2/3, that rational exponent. And one way to do so is to raise each side by the reciprocal of the rational exponent. So if your rational exponent is 2/3, your reciprocal would be 3/2. So we're going to raise both sides to the 3/2 power. And why do we do that? Well, an exponent raised to another power, we're multiplying the exponents. So 3/2 times 2/3, if you multiply reciprocals, they reduce to 1. How nice is that? So I got 1 here, so the left-hand side is just x plus 1. Now on the right-hand side, you have to remember what is going on when you have rational exponents. Now let me rewrite this into a radical problem with a square root. 4 to the 3/2, guess what, is exactly the same as the square root. That is your index, is a 2. We don't really write 2's down when we have a square root. It's exactly the same as the square root of 4 to the 3rd power. Square root of 4 to the 3rd power. Now to simplify that without a calculator, I always take the root first. So the square root of 4 is 2, and then we need to raise that to the 3rd power. So 4 to the 3/2 power simplified is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Look at that. How nice and easy this problem has become. Subtract 1 from both sides, and you get x equals 8 minus 1 is 7. Here you go. There is your answer.